Today we're in Singaraja and I'm super excited because we're going to try a place called Sate Tauco Kho Lin, which actually originated from his brother, and it was called Hey Brother, how are you? Hey Kho Lin, how are you? And that's how the name sort of came about. Their signature dishes here is Sate Tauco and also Sate Plaching, Babi Samor. Again, everything is pork here because it has a Chinese influence, also has a Balinese influence. It's a mixed couple, so it's all about kind of Chinese and pork influences. So we'll start off with the Sate Tauco. And so the Tauco that they make here, which is quite interesting, is actually, they don't get it from a normal producer and from a factory. They actually get it from a guy that makes it handmade by himself and brings it here every day for them to make this wonderful sauce. So again, everything is local, homegrown, at its best. And the signature thing that they have here, as you can see my bit of fat, is that in every stick, they actually pound the pork with the meat, pound the fat, and then they will put a little bit of fat at the bottom of the stick. So as you're grilling, all that juiciness and unctuousness drips down into the fat, and then that cooks out. You have a wonderful sort of crispy flavor, texture. It's not how they do in some other places where they just put pork skewers on here and little chunks of pork and then grill it. They actually here pound it with the fat, so you've got full flavor in there. And that is a wonderful dish. Now, Sate Plaching, basically this one is little bits of pork that have been skewered on here. And not too shrimpy, which I love. You've got a little bit of cucumber on there. And give it a stab, and that's another great dish. Normally they just serve pork soup, which is this clear broth, but because we're here in Singaraja and there's a big Chinese community, we actually have got the samor, which is actually a very Javanese dish as well. And that's basically pork broth, there's a little bit of ketchup mayonnaise in there, soya, it's like a master stock braise, and tomato, a little bit of sourness. That's another cracking dish. All this for a morning breakfast. You better get up early because it is a lot to eat and super hearty. You know, places may not seem to have a relevance and you may not have heard it on the map because it's not a tourist area, etc. But you know what? Every little place has its hidden secrets. And Sate Tauco Kho Lin is one of those hidden secrets.